Assalamualaikum. I am Nur Muhammad Rayhan. My ID 181352361. Supervised by MD Hafizul Imran Sir, Lecturer, Department of Software Engineering, Daffodil International University. Today I am presenting my presentation, and my thesis title is Design and Implementation of Prosthetics Hand Improve Sensory Feedback. Here is my content of today's presentation: background, motivation, scope, literature review, working element, and methodology. Background is major amputation in our country. Every year occurred lower limb amputation is 69.23 and upper limb is 30.77, and this percentage increased day by day. The main reasons was limb amputation by road traffic accident, peripheral vascular disease, hit by sharp object, surgery to remove torn tumor from bones and muscles. Pay around 5,000 for the cosmetics prosthetics, up to 10,000 for the human prosthetics with hook, and between 20 to 100,000 for the latest myoelectric technology. This is not affordable price in our poor people. And in this paper we proposed lower cost and more accurate sensory feedback prototype. This is motivation: cheaper solution for robotic prosthetics hand, product availability in local market, amputate or limb lost person doing daily life activities of human being in normal person, estimated of amputee people in 1.5%, 5 per 1,000 people, where world population is 6.7 million. Scope: the future of prosthetics might be the mind controlled bionic arm. In the near future, this technology will improve a lot with the help in biomedical, more research, and improve prosthetic arm cost reducing future goals. And literature review: this is my first and best paper, design and controlling low cost prosthetics hand using force sensor. This using mechanical methodology, using first of all she's used mechanical design and materials using prosthetics hand and actuator force calculation. Then is the going to force calculation, and then she sensor collecting data and going sending this data is Arduino, and response to hand movement. And this finding small finding and limitation: smallest prosthetics hand can support heavy object, limitation based on the amount of weight they can hold, limitations based on the amount of weight they can hold. And second review, literature papers in Arduino based myoelectric controls toward longitude study of prosthetics use. And third paper, design implementation and performance validation of UOMPR Pro artificial hand towards affordable hand prosthetics, comprehensive design and prosthetics hand with practical and reliable control. Low cost transradial prosthetics controlled by the intention of muscles contraction. Design and implementation of a human prosthetics hand. 6 and 7 is the development of the prosthetics hand based on the human hand anatomy. 8 is 2019 design and implementation of DUFAB hand and low cost myoelectric prosthetics hand. 9 is 2019 analysis of myoelectric signal to prosthetics application. And last is 10 is the prosthetics hand using EMG signal sensor. And working element is software for Arduino IDE is coding, and SolidWorks 2017 is for designing and 3D design. And sensor using EMG sensor for collecting muscle signals, and gyroscope using for hand vector shaking in the. And hardware is Arduino Nano, servo motors, motor driver, 3D printers, ABS filament for the printer elements, 2 batteries less than 80 volt, and watts EMG stickers. Methodology is first of all impulse signals from the hand using EMG stickers and EMG device to read the impulse, and analog signal will be transmitted to Arduino. Arduino will act according to the code using EMG data. Servo motor will release instruction from an Arduino. Prosthetics hand is ready to move. And thank you. Please